Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a multisig wallet in Gnosis by importing address. Detailed guide. To restore a multisig wallet in Gnosis by importing an address, begin by accessing your Gnosis Safe interface. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gnosis Safe website. Click on the Access Safe button on the home page. You will be prompted to select the method of access for your wallet. Choose the Import via Address option. Enter the address of the multisig wallet you wish to restore. After entering the address, click the Next button to proceed. The interface will now display information about the wallet associated with the address. Review the details to ensure you have selected the correct wallet. If the information appears correct, click on the Import button. Next, you will need to connect your wallet for authorization. Select your preferred wallet provider from the available options. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Once connected, you may need to approve a transaction to finalize the import process. After confirming, you should see your multisig wallet appear in the interface. Now, you can access all the functions and features of your multisig wallet. Familiarize yourself with the Gnosis Safe layout for easier navigation. Explore the available settings to customize your wallet as needed. Your multisig wallet is now successfully restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.